morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we will start the mental math because your mental math syllabus is very back and we have to complete. And the full worksheet 10 you all have done. Today we will start the worksheet. We'll start the worksheet 11. With you,
Notebook.
mental math book. Do you all have the mental math book with you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So let's start. Let's start the worksheet 11. The activity 11 is on based upon the addition of the numbers and the rounding off that we have done in the chapter number 1 and 2.
Good morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Let's start the activity 11. The first question is, a publishing concert evaluation shows that 18 crore 18 lakh 27 18 crore 27 lakh 19,436 English generals and 40 crore 83 lakh 26,133 scientific journals are in circulation. Find the numbers of general in circulation. Two generals is given, that is one in English and second in scientific. So what we have to do is we have to add the number. How you will do this? There is one blank there. In this box you have to do the addition. First write both the numbers, that is 83, 26, 18, 27, 19, 436. What we have to do to find the final numbers, we will add these numbers. 6 plus 3, 9, 3 plus 3, 6, 4 plus 1, 5, 9 plus 5, 9 plus 6, 15, 2 plus 2, 4,
4,
then 7 plus 3, 10,
10,
8 plus 3, 11, then 8 plus 1, 9, 4 plus 1, 5. So there will be total generals, that is 39 crore 10 lakh 45,569. In the second question, there is second question. Mihir bought a house for rupees 12 lakh 80,880. He spent rupees 9,850 on curtains, rupees 85,000 on furniture, and 15,670 or 8 on whitewash, and 26,850 is on varnishing. How much money did he spend in all? Can you do it yourself? As he has
Yes,
bought,
ma'am.
yes, as he has bought for some rupees, and some rupees he had spent on some other things like curtaining, after that whitewash, furnishing, varnishing. We will add all the numbers. The next question is, according to According to media survey, it was found that 3,46,89,521 people are graduate, 5,93,45,550 were just literate, and 23,46,68,250 were literate in a state. How many people are surveyed? So first we will find the total people. How we will find? We have to find the total people.
Yes,
We have
ma'am.
to find. So how we will do this? We will do, first we will
By
write
adding all.
cost of, yes, by adding all. Cost of house is rupees 12 crore 80,880. He has spent on curtain, spent on curtain is equals to rupees 9,850. After that, spend on whitewash, he has spent on whitewash is equals to rupees 85,000. Spend on whitewash, that is 26,850. After that, furniture, spent on furniture is equals to rupees 85,000. After that, varnishing, he has spent on varnishing, that is rupees 26,850. What we will do is, after writing all this, we will add all the numbers. What is the total cost? That is rupees 12,80,880. Spent on curtain, that is 9,850. After that, spent on whitewash, that is 26,850.
No, ma'am.
Whitewash, that is 26,000. After that, furnishing 85,000.
No,
After that, varnishing, that is
varnishing 26,000 and whitewashing is 15,000.
see, it is 12,80,880, 9,850, that is on curtain, 85,000, that is on furniture, 85,000 furniture. After that, whitewash, that is 15,000, 15,678. Yes. After that, what varnishing is 26,815. See,
Yes,
first
ma'am.
cost is, what is the first cost? That is the house cost, that is 12,80,880 rupees. After that, the second cost is curtain, that is rupees 9,850. Third cost is furniture, that is 85,000. Fourth cost is 15,668 on whitewash. Fifth cost is 26,850 on varnishing. So now we will add all these numbers. Can you do this as a homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you add all the numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, third question I'm doing. Third question is, according to a media survey, it was found that 3,46,89,521 people were graduate. 5,93,45,550 were just literate, and 23,46,68,250 150 were literate in a state. How many people were surveyed in all? So first we will write all three numbers. The graduate people first we will write. What are the graduate people?
The graduate people.
Ma'am,
3 lakh
3 crore 46 lakh
46 lakh
89,221. Next is literate.
5 lakh 93 5 crore 93 lakh 45,000. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. C.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, graduate means
Graduate people are three. Graduate people are this. After that, this people are literate and this people are illiterate. Understood?
Two pairs.
After that, what we have to do is we have to add all three numbers to find the total number of people in surveyed. So what are the literate? Literate are 5 crore 93 lakh 45,500. Yes.
What is the meaning of graduate?
Graduate is a degree. After 12, you will enroll for the graduate. As you are in class 5, graduation is the education degree. Next is how many people are literate? That is 5 crore 93,045 93 lakh 45,550. Next is illiterate people, the people who are not educated. Is equals to 23 crore 46 lakh 68,200. Yes.
Ma'am, with statement, ma'am, statement के साथ
No,
लिखना है.
no, no. You have to write only the numbers in the box.
Yes, ma'am.
Only the numbers in the box. After that,
Yes,
what we will do is we will add all the numbers. 1 plus 0 is 1. 5 plus 5 10 plus 2 is 12. 5 10 plus 1 is 11 plus 2 13. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 8 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. After that, 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 10 20. 6 6 12. After that, 3 15 17. 9 plus 1 10 plus 8 18. 3 3
8 18.
3 3 6 plus 5 11 plus 1 12. 2 plus 1 is 3. So total number of people in surveyed is equals to 32 crore 87 lakh 3,321. The next question is round off the numbers and to the nearest 10,000 and then find the sum. So this question I'm doing, first you will write the number here in this box, first box. After that you will round off to this box. In this box you have to add the number. First number is 2864 2825. Second number is 75 crore 47 lakh. Then 47, 13, 193. The next number is 100,101. Now this number, if look at this, see this number is given the first number, that is 28642825. We have to round off to nearest 10,000. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 42,825, that we have to round off. And how we will round off this? That is, the first digit will remain same, that is 286. After that 42,000, it is coming nearby 40,000. Next is this, so ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 13,000, it is nearby 10,000. After that, the remaining digit will be same, 7, 4, 5, 7. After that, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. This is the number. So this will be nearest 1,000. So 1,009 is there. This 0 is before this number. So 1,009 will be there. So it is nearest 1,000. After that, we will add all these numbers, that 0, 0, 0, 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 7 plus 6, 13 plus 1, 14, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13, 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1, 8, 7 plus 1 is 8. The next question is complete the following. Question number 2 you have to do as homework. Next question is complete the following table by round off each number nearest values. So this is the number, these three number is given. I'm telling you how to round off. After that, actual sum, this is the estimated sum, means after rounding off. This is the actual sum. It means the number we will add. Actually difference there is given. How we will find the difference of estimated sum and the actual sum? First I'm doing, the first question is 139. A part I'm doing, that is 20, 278 and 468. First we will find the, this is estimated sum and this is actual sum. Estimated sum after round off 139 will be nearest tens, that is 140. 278 near now we will add this number. After that, what are the actual number? That is 139, 278, 468. Next is we will add these numbers. This is the estimated sum, that is 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 7 is equals to 15. 15 plus 4 is equals to 9. After that 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and 1 was from this. Now actual sum 8, 8, 16. 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9. 8, 8, 16. 16 plus 6 is equals to 22. Then 22 plus 3 is 5. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 6 is equals to 16. Plus 2, 18. 4 plus 2 is 6. Plus 1, 7. So this is the actual sum. Difference, how we will find? Difference, the actual, which one is the bigger? Minus 885. So 5, 0 and 0. 5 will be the difference. In this way you can do the next question. In this way you can do the B part as homework. Can you do B part as homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you do B part as homework? What you have to do is once again I am telling you the estimated sum. After rounding off, first you have to round off all three numbers. Then you have to write here. After that actual sum. Actual sum means the numbers which is given like 139, 278 and 468. Next is, after that whatever will be, whichever number will be the greater, you have to subtract the smaller number. The next is by 100. What we have to do is, understood everyone how we have to do the question number 3rd?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 3rd understood. Next is, yes,
Yes.
next is nearest 100 we have to round off. We have to round off nearest 100. That is 706 is given. A part you will do yourself. B part I am doing it for you. Nearest 100 we have to round off. Which are the numbers? 8065. After that 6780. After that 3175. This is given. Next is what we have to do is, this is actual sum. After that will be estimated. Estimated means first we will round off nearest 100 and difference.
Yes, ma'am.
Round 100, 8065. 8065 will be 8100, because 65 it is more than 5. Next is 6780. 780 will nearby 800, so 6800. Next is 175. It is near 200, so 3. After that we have to add 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 8,
17.
next is actual sum. 5 plus 5, 10, 8 plus 7, 15, plus 1, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 1, 15, plus 3, 18. Now this is the actual sum, this is the estimated sum. How we will find the difference? Actual sum minus estimated sum. 0 minus 0 is 0, 2 minus 0 is 2. After that, 10 minus 1 is 9, 7 minus 0, 1, 0. 920 will be the difference. Can you do A part as a homework? Next is question number 3. That is, we have to round off nearest 1000. Nearest 1000 we have to round off. The question is 6543, 6004 and 5432. First we will add this. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2 9. 4 plus 3 7. 5 plus 4 9. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. Now we will round off to the nearest 1000. That is 6543. That is nearest 7000. 6000 and 5432. It is nearby 5000. Now we will add all the numbers. That is 0, 0, 0. 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 5, 18. Now how we will find the difference? This is the bigger number, this is the smallest number. So bigger number first we will write. After that, smallest number. That is 17,979. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0, 0, 0. So 21 will be the difference. Now worksheet activity 11. Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you do the remaining part as a homework? One part I have done it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
One part I have. So remaining part you will do it as homework. If you will have any doubt in the next class, we will discuss it. Rounding off the numbers you have learned. Yes.
Ma'am, in maths exercise 1.8, ma'am, this is ma'am homework है. Ma'am, exercise 1.8.
Exercise 1.8.
Yes, ma'am. In maths.
No, beta, we are doing the mental math.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have doubt in maths.
Yes, in exercise 1.A.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
ma'am, PDF.
In the PDF.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so give me your question in the next class, because now your time is about to over. So give me your question in the next class. Next class we will discuss your problem.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have any doubt in activity 11, ask me. Any
Yes,
one
ma'am.
of you.
Yes,
Activity 11. So let me tell you which question you have to do as a homework. question number 1 I have done. Question number B, 1B you have to do as homework.
Yes,
Question
ma'am.
number C. Question number C I have done. Question number D also I have done. In question number 2, A, B. Yes, tell me. In question number 2, part A I have done. B you have to do as a homework. Question number 2, nearest 100. D I have done. C you have to do as a homework. F you have to do as homework. E I have done. In the activity 12, now everyone open the activity 12. Can you do the question number 1 as a homework? That is of
Yes,
subtraction.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Question number 1. One part I am doing it for you, and remaining part you can do yourself. First, A part is 36,82,589. The second is 14,50,071. How you can do this? You have to subtract. Now 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. 8 minus 5 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So this will be the difference. In the same way, part B, C, D. Can you do it yourself in the textbook only?
Yes, ma'am.
B, C, D. Do it yourself. Remaining part we will discuss in the next class. If you have any doubt in activity 11, ask me. If you have any doubt in activity 11, ask me. Activity 11. Activity 11, understood? Activity 11?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt?
No, ma'am.
Activity 12, the question number 1. A part I have done it for you. Remaining part you will do it as a homework. Can you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Until the time, revise all the chapters. Revise all the chapters that we have done in previous months. Now one B part, worksheet 11, that is activity 11, B part, do it yourself and show it to me. B part, do it yourself and show it to me.
Ma'am, second B part.
No, activity 11, question number 1, B part. Question number 1B part, that is Mihir bought a house for rupees 12,80,880. He spent on rupees 9,850 on curtains. Yes, that question you have to do. Do it now and show it to me.
Ma'am, complete.
You all have done the worksheet 10? Worksheet
Yes,
10
ma'am.
you all have done?
Yes, ma'am.
One by one, show it to me. Show it to me. Who all have done the B part? Show it to me. show it to me. Yes, we are done.
Ma'am, the answer is 14,18,258.
You do all the homework which I have given today and will check in the next class, everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.